In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales funnel in Draw.io for Confluence. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable funnel diagram you can drop into any Confluence page to visualize your customer journey. Start by opening your Confluence page in edit mode so you can make changes. In the editor, use the quick/ command by typing rdraw. This opens the macro picker where you can add a new diagram. Choose the option to insert a new Draw.io diagram so we can work right on the page. When the template window appears, pick the blank template for a fresh canvas, then click Create to launch the editor. Because there isn't a built-in sales funnel template, we'll build one from scratch. You only need two shapes, a rounded rectangle and a trapezoid. You'll find both in the Shapes panel on the left. Drag a rounded rectangle onto the canvas first. This will serve as a header or summary area for your funnel. Next, drag a trapezoid. This is the building block for each funnel stage. Now arrange your funnel. Place the rounded rectangle at the top. Below it, stack trapezoids one above the other. Each trapezoid should be slightly larger than the one below it so the stack widens toward the top, creating that classic funnel silhouette. To keep everything tidy, use the snap guides that appear as you move shapes and nudge with your arrow keys for precision. You can duplicate a trapezoid to keep proportions consistent, then resize from the corners. If you see a small yellow handle on the trapezoid, use it to control the slope of the sides for a balanced look. When you have your stack, use the align and distribute options to center everything and space the layers evenly. Grouping the stack can help you move the whole funnel without losing alignment. With the structure in place, it's time to color and label. Select each trapezoid and choose a fill color in a logical gradient or your brand palette. Maintain good contrast by adjusting border and text colors so labels are easy to read. Click inside a shape to type stage names such as awareness, interest, consideration, intent, and purchase, or whatever matches your process. Use consistent font sizes and bold only where emphasis is needed. In the rounded rectangle at the top, add a clear title like Sales Funnel or include a note with totals or time period. If helpful, add brief metrics in each stage, keeping text concise so the design stays clean. That's it. Your sales funnel is built, styled, and labeled right inside Confluence using Draw.io, ready for your team to reference and update whenever your process evolves.